stock on the radar is GMM Pfaulder. The stock slumps on the back of its fourth quarter numbers. Vamakshi is here with the earnings fine print.
Well, absolutely. A weak set of numbers coming in from GMM Pfaulder. Revenue is seeing a decline of almost 14% YOY, and this is largely being driven by a 9% decline in their overseas business. There is even a sharper fall seen in their domestic business. The domestic business was down almost 27%. But the operational performance for the company actually saw an improvement. Gross profit margins have improved by almost 686 basis points, and this improvement is largely being led by a decline of almost 28% as far as the operating expenses for the company is concerned. They also witnessed a 32% decline in cost of raw materials, which actually aided the gross margins. The EBITDA margins also improved by around 135 basis points, and this was largely being led by the overseas business improvement. Order intake was up almost 8.7% for the quarter, but for the entire year, order intake actually dipped by 11%. Resultantly, we also saw a nearly 22% dip as far as the order backlog is concerned. The management has also given a guidance for FY25. They expect the revenue in FY25 to stand at 3,700 crores. In FY25, the revenue growth was somewhere around 8%, and in FY25, they're expecting a slower revenue growth of almost 7%. EBITDA is also seen at 630 crores, but they're expecting an improvement in their ROCE to 25%. The management also sounded quite cautious in their commentary as well. They highlighted that the international business was facing some pricing pressure. The Indian market also saw pricing pressure, and this was significant as compared to the overseas business, especially in the glass line business due to intense competition. So overall, a weak set of numbers. There are some concerns around pricing as highlighted by the management, and as a result, we're seeing the stock decline in trade today.
Okay, all right. Thank you for that, Vamakshi. But stay